Good morning, all of you. Next one, ionic radius. What is ionic radius? Generally, ions nothing but cation and anion. You know how a cation is formed? By loss of electrons or gain of electrons? Yes, by loss of electrons. For example, X, an atom, if it lost one electron and forms X plus, right, plus one electron. Okay, this is neutral atom and this is ion, cation. Okay, then radius of this ion increases or decreases? Yes, decreases. Rx more radius than Rx plus. Why? Because for suppose this is nucleus, right? It attracts 5 valence electrons, for suppose 5 valence electrons. Now this is the size. Okay, now you remove one electron, then the nuclear charge on valence electrons what? Increases or decreases? Increases, right? Increases means it attracts very strong. Comparatively 5 electrons, it attracts 4 electrons very strong. Then if you remove one electron, then effective nuclear charge increases, right? Nuclear charge increases. Again you remove one more electron, again increases. So nucleus attract the valence electron very strong, means the atom will become shrink. That means radius of atom decreases. If you remove one electron from the atom, then the nuclear force increases on the valence electron. That is known as effective nuclear charge. Then size of atom decreases. Okay, again you remove one more electron from this, X2 plus one electron. Now the size Rx greater than Rx plus greater than Rx2 plus, again greater than Rx3 plus. Okay, so neutral atom, from neutral atom you remove one electron, then radius of ion, cation decreases. Why? Because effective nuclear charge increases. Z effective increases. Z effective nuclear charge increases. Okay, tell me, I more radius or I plus more radius? Yes, no doubt I more radius. Cl more radius or Cl plus more radius? Yes, Cl more radius. Because after removing one electron, effective nuclear charge increases, then radius will become less. Okay, next one, Mn2 plus, Mn4 plus, Mn6 plus, Mn7 plus. Then radius order? No doubt. This is the neutral atom, always more radius than positive ion. Mn2 plus greater than, Mn4 plus greater than, Mn6 plus greater than, Mn7 plus. Okay, lead, Pb, Pb2 plus, Pb4 plus. Then order Pb greater than, Pb2 plus greater than, Pb4 plus. If you remove one electron, if you first nucleus attract 5 valence electron, this is the size. Again you remove electron, then nucleus force more on valence electron, then attract very strong, then size will become less, right? Again you remove one more electron, again increases. Again you remove one more electron, again very strong attraction, so size gradually decreases. That means if positive charge increases, then radius decreases. Okay na? So that's why Mn more radius, neutral atom, Mn plus 7 very less radius, because 7 positive charges on manganese. Okay na? Plus 7. Lead more radius than lead 4 plus. In between Pb2 plus. Okay, next one. This is cation radius, right? In case of anion means what? Gain of electron, right? For suppose X plus X plus 1 electron is gives rise to X minus. gain 1 electron. Okay, now this is neutral atom. Neutral atom. This is ion, anion. Anion radius. Now we are discussing anion radius. This is cation radius. Okay, so cation radius decreases with increasing positive charge. In case of anion radius, neutral atom and ion, which one more radius? No doubt, anion more radius than neutral. Why? Anion, how anion is formed? By gain of electrons, right? First, suppose this is nucleus, then attract 4 electrons. 4 electrons. Now you add one more electron. One more electron. Now size increases, right? Before, nucleus attract 4 valence electron. Now you add one more electron to the outermost shell. Now nucleus attract 5 electrons. Then size of atom increases, right? Before 4 electrons, this is the size. Now 5 electrons, this is the size. Size increases, right? If we add 1 electron to the neutral atom and form an anion, and anion radius should be greater than neutral atom. Okay, so then finally order. What is the order? Rx minus greater than Rx greater than Rx plus. Okay, I minus, example I minus greater than I plus. Okay, H minus greater than H greater than H plus. Positive charge increases, radius decreases. Negative charge increases, radius increases. Okay now, so this is the radius of cation and anion. So finally, positive charge increases, radius decreases, reason Z effective increases, effective nuclear charge increases. Next, anion radius. Anion means by gain of electron. If you add 1 electron, then size of atom increases. That means radius of atom increases. Okay, so anion radius is more than the neutral atom radius. Okay, next one. In case of isoelectronic species, isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species means having same number of electrons, right? Same number of electrons. For example, N3 minus, O2 minus, F minus, Na plus, Mg2 plus, Al3 plus. Okay. Nitrogen 7 electrons, minus 3 means it gained 3 electrons. So 7 plus 3, 10 electrons. 10 electrons. Here O 8 electrons, 8 plus 2, 10 electrons. F minus 9 plus 1, 10 electrons. Sodium 11, positive charge means it lost electron, so that's why 11 minus 1, 10 electrons. Magnesium 12 minus 2, 10 electrons. Aluminium 13 minus 3, 10 electrons. All are having same number of electrons, so isoelectronic species. Okay, now nitrogen atomic number 7, right? That means 7 protons in the nucleus. Okay, so 7 protons, the nitrogen 7 protons. Here 8 protons, because oxygen atomic number 8, so 8 protons present in the nucleus. Nitrogen atomic number 9, so 9 protons present. Sodium atomic number 11, so 11 protons. Magnesium atomic number 12, 12 protons. Aluminium 13, 13 protons. Okay, so these protons indicates nuclear charge, right? More the number of protons in the nucleus, more will be the nuclear charge. Okay now, so here 7 protons attract the valence electron. Here 8 protons attract the valence electron. 10 protons, here 7 protons attract the valence electron. Here 8 protons attract the valence electron. Here 13 protons attract the valence electron. Okay, where nuclear charge highest? Here nuclear charge highest, right? 13 protons. So here very strong attraction. more nuclear charge, effective nuclear charge more. So more attraction means the atom will become shrink. So radius of atom decreases. Understood? So finally, if positive charge increases, effective nuclear charge increases. That's why atomic radius decreases. If negative charge increases, then size increases. So then order N3 minus greater than O2 minus greater than F minus greater than Na plus greater than Mg2 plus greater than Al3 plus. Okay, here 13 protons attract the valence electron. Here 7 protons attract the valence electrons. So 13 protons, high nuclear charge, right? So high nuclear charge means here attraction very strong. Attraction very strong means radius will become less, right? But here 7 protons attract the valence electron. So less attraction means radius will become high. Okay, so then order N3 minus O2 minus F minus greater than Na plus greater than Mg2 plus greater than Al3 plus. So in case of isoelectronic species, negative charge increases, radius increases. Positive charge increases, radius decreases. Right? One more. For suppose P4 minus, P3 minus, S2 minus, Cl minus, Ca2 plus. Okay, now here 15 plus 3, 18 electrons, 16 plus 2, 18 electrons, 17 plus 1, 18 electrons, Ca 20 minus 2, 18 electrons, and also K plus. 19 minus 1, 18 electrons. Okay, then order. Here 15 protons, right? Here 16 protons, 17 protons, 20 protons, 19 protons. Where effective nuclear charge more? Here effective nuclear charge more, 20 protons. That's why this will be least size. Where effective nuclear charge less? Here effective nuclear charge less, 15 protons. That's why this will be high, right? So then order P3 minus greater than, S2 minus greater than, Cl minus greater than, Ca2 plus less than K plus. Okay, Ca2 plus least size, then K plus, because here 19 protons, here 20 protons. Okay, so finally, in case of isoelectronic species, size, negative charge increases, size increases, positive charge increases, size decreases. Okay, so this is ionic radius. Okay, in the next class, we will discuss variation of atomic radius in a group and period.